Yoga gets rid of so much stress for me. Sometimes I don't realize how much I'm carrying. To go in there and let it all out on the mat feels great. It's nice to be able to just go and recenter. It's almost like a cleanse for me.
Climbing gives you this amazing adrenaline when you're on the wall. You have all this chaos going on around you, but when you get up on the wall and nothing else is around you, you're at a total balance in your life. Everything's relaxed, you're in this beautiful place, kind of in your own world up there.
I run because it gives me energy. My favorite time to run is first thing in the morning. My body is cold, I'm not warmed up, but then when I'm finished, I feel peace of mind, my body burns, I have a lot of energy. It's so nice just to be able to put on my running shoes and conquer the world.
I'm super passionate about fitness. When you're doing a workout like this, sometimes you want to quit. You're taking yourself to a place that you've probably never been before, where you're pushing yourself so hard and you get so uncomfortable. Something magical happens. It's really neat to know what your body's capable of. Sculpting your body and building your body is not just about working out, it's about what you put in your body and how you feel your body. When you feel good, you can play hard, and to me, that's what life's all about. It's what I want.
It's who I am.
It's what I believe.
Down to my very core.